Pretty, isn't it? Check it out from the bottom. Pretty. Oh, pretty. Today on Mr. Industries Ford Falcon 351 project, I take the family to Toowoomba to buy this glove box and see my wife's auntie. But buy this glove box, mainly buy the glove box, because look, it's a GXL Fairmont glove box. I've found on Gumtree months ago, but didn't bother to come and get it because it was a 150-kilometre drive from where we live. But we've got to go see my wife's auntie this weekend, so I got in touch with the guy that owned this glove box. He met me in Toowoomba at Clifford Gardens and I picked it up. $75 well spent. The only thing is, it's locked. So I'm going to have to figure out how to pick that lock and get into it, and hopefully just swap it over with my other lock or just leave it unlocked altogether. But we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. As stated earlier in the year, with regard to projects for 2022, this glove box is pretty broken up. As you can see under here, that's broken. I didn't realise it, but it's also broken here in the corner as well. So this glove box needs an upgrade. Fortunately, it's only held in by one screw as far as I can tell. Or is it two? Oh, no, this one. Here it comes. Oh, and it's out. Alright, here we have both glove boxes. Now, this one initially came unlocked, but as soon as I got home I stuck a screwdriver into there. It unlocked and then it wouldn't lock again, so I might try and do steal this one. The latch assembly still works, so it's locked. This one doesn't want to shut properly, doesn't want to latch either, which I'm assuming has got something to do with the way the door is sitting in the frame. But I will pull for parts off this one to make this one whole, and hopefully I will get myself a functioning glove box which is also aesthetically pleasing. So I've stolen some of the rubber parts and this and that from my old glove box over there, and this lock here wasn't latching. This would come up but it wouldn't latch. So I've sprayed some CRC into the mechanism, because that's the reason why the glove box wasn't locking, other than the warp frame. But now it latches, because it was gummed up. So now it works. That means the glove box will shut. Ta-da! Give this a bit of a clean up and I will install it. Alright, there we have it. I think this is good enough to install. Let's get on to that. There we have it. Glove box is mounted up. $75. well spent. The latch came good, so I can still use that. As it turned out, the glove box wasn't locked, it was just jammed. And it matches my GS dash. Says Fairmont GXL there, but I'm just going to live with that.